I am grateful to make my students aware of this scholarship opportunity. For many of us, when we think of real estate careers, we often think of real estate sales. However, the real estate industry is vast, offering many real estate careers. Established in 1976, the Texas Real Estate Teachers Association offers annual scholarships to 5 students. If you are a real estate student studying in Texas at a 4-year institution, community college, or proprietary school, you may be eligible for a $1,000 scholarship. 5 students may receive scholarships each year. Applications must be submitted to the president of the Texas Real Estate Teachers Association by January 1st. If you are attending a 4-year institution, you must have a major in real estate or finance with a degree plan on file with the college. You must have completed a basic principles course in real estate and 1 other real estate core course, and you must have a cumulative overall GPA in real estate courses of 3 or above. If you are attending community college, you must have a major in real estate with a degree plan on file with the college. You must have completed at least 12 credit hours and have a minimum 3.0 GPA in core real estate courses. And lastly, if you are attending a proprietary school, you must have completed 6 hours of required core courses, and you also must have exceptional ability in test scores. Again, all applications should be sent to the president of the Texas Real Estate Teachers Association by January 1st of each year. You will find a link to the application below. Please share this information with anyone that will find it useful. Thanks for watching, and before you leave, like or subscribe to know when I add more videos.